Come on. All my mommy power. Bounce with me. All my mommy power. Come on. All my mommy power. Yeah. Hey yo.
This is David Nevermind. And today's controversy is coming from yet another member, should I say member, of the hip-hop community. Pablo, a new artist signed under Jive.
Hey, yo, go get my homeboy.
Up with Timberland out of PA in a quest to change the title and bring North Carolina and Virginia to the front of the line.
We gon' do it.
We're gonna stand by.
Motherfucker, first put it down for North Carolina, but guess what? It's been worth. I'm a superstar. Bought me a big old car, 4.6. Black with the balls on the front and back, and got a button in the middle, make the truck go. But it ain't about that. It's about getting what you getting and juvenile back here. Big fella, half of me in Carolina niggas done time together. Hope, Marshall, Hope, Greene County, Hillary, damn, transfer, Santa Red, Browns over here, Green over here, Pastor down on Oldham East, that's the thing. Johnson County, Franklin, Burgall, Newport, Warren, Shelby, Kingsville, Goldboro, Halifax, Stateville, and all my niggas doing life behind the wall. This right here is for North Carolina. Raise up, take your shirt off, twist it around your head like a helicopter. North Carolina, raise up, this one for you, this one for who? Us. North Carolina, raise up, take your shirt off, twist it around your head like a helicopter. North Carolina, raise up, this one for you, this one for who? Us. You remember them days, y'all? We used to play, y'all, the radio and put our own partner song, y'all. We used to rap our city, running through the school hall just before our basketball pet rally jumped on. My house, my home, my hood, my brother, my sister, my cousin, my nigga that was there from the beginning, been with me before he even knew what being with me was. Y'all niggas just glance at it, never got y'all staring at it, but it's been the same old North Carolina's been. Y'all niggas just getting it, oh it's a shame, isn't it? Oh you thought we said we were coming with a whole lot of something, we were bullshit. Man, I had to do it just in case you were one of the ones that wanted to come and ask something stupid. What you think you doing? What it look like putting it down for my niggas on the south side, North Carolina, South Carolina, and I'm a little bit of help with Hick Town. We gonna hit y'all ass, this ain't nothing but a TD Blazer we got coming at ya. Slamming, classic, go for this, what's that, the platinum? Baby, you'll walk the ball. And I don't mean to scare y'all, but I'm about to bring it home. Blow these melody, heal these things that NC out the wall up. How's the feeling? Look a motherfucker daddy real and tell him I told ya. North Carolina, raise up, take your shirt off, twist it around your head like a helicopter. North Carolina, raise up, this one for you, this one for who? Us. North Carolina, raise up, take your shirt off, twist it around your head like a helicopter. North Carolina, raise up, this one for you, this one for who? Us.
I have no other question. Hey, look, this is David Nevermind. I'm signing off. But before I'm out of here, remember, if I'm ever taught anything I'm not supposed to have, it's Nevermind. North Carolina and PA are definitely at the front of the line. You have my love and support. Over and out.
It ain't over, motherfuckers.
Stick 'em up as we proceed.
never die, we live. And we gon' stay big time till it's time to see big. Get a grip, bad boy, never slip. We running strips while y'all running lips. Haters wanna stop my loot. They don't want me wearing Sean John, they want me wearing lawsuits. PD, increase the heat in your streets. Keep your tapes on rewind, CDs on repeat. My mental more older, jewelry more colder. Got it locked like it's 97 all over. You know what I came to do, change the rules. Even when I stand still, I'm making moves. I paid my dues as soon as I stepped in. P. Diddy, aka News at 11.
Put your hands up in the air now. We're gonna hit you with the heat. For the streets, throw your hands up in the air now. We won't stop this bad boy for life. Throw your hands up in the air now. We're gonna hit you with the heat. For the streets, throw your hands up in the air now. We won't stop this bad boy for life.
Catch me walking on the wildest side of your block. I bang mine, showing me hood love, throwing up gang signs. So is that who I think it is? You see it, Brooklyn military. Ten blades of respect, all hood, cause the globe is a ghetto. Yeah, starts with your life. This the level, the slow fame in them. Remember them from the hill up in Brownsville? Still banging them. Sound the alarm, it's the first family, and we're back to drop bombs. Boom, napalm. Duke, don't stress, this is the world. Famous firearm caresses we fell. To keep our homies proud in the street, to make our music loud and stomp over beats like bum 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 bum. There you go. Yeah. We ain't going nowhere.
Throw your hands up in the air now. We're gonna hit you with the heat. For the streets, throw your hands up in the air now. We won't stop this bad boy for life. Throw your hands up in the air now. We're gonna hit you with the heat. For the streets, throw your hands up in the air now. We won't stop this bad boy for life.
Put 100 grand out, stand up before I stick you. You better put your hands up. Hands up, come on. Hey, if you want in front like you want with it, I bust your head with a skillet. Come on, more rugged, heat for the track. I'm like a pickup truck with broken concrete in the back. Now let me add a couple G's to the stack. I know we got you dumb in how we put this together in the wallet. I see it coming. Back the firearm and pop your card. Watch me shatter your windshield with a rock guitar. We beat them zero tolerance. I'll turn on your and melt you like a fire burning you. Relax. Fact is we trifle with heat, disciples with lyrics, the rifle the street. I'm saying
yes, we come to put the